The market finished higher last week. My small account finished even higher. How did you do? This is an update of my small account that generates cash flow every week no matter what the market does. If you only have a small amount to invest and you don't want to wait years to see gains and you definitely don't want to lose money, there's a way to use your small account, let's say $3,000 to $5,000, to guarantee income right away in the stock market by selling covered calls and naked puts like I do. Even when the market goes down, you can still get cash flow and drive your market value up. This method does not only guarantee cash flow, that is income, it can also beat the S&P 500. So far in 2023, my portfolio is up 26.9% versus 17.98% up for SPY and S&P 500 ETF. That's a difference of 8.92%. I am beating the S&P 500 by almost 9%. Last week, I sold option contracts on three positions. They were three calls that ranged from $7.34 to $22.34. I don't use charts. I don't use fundamental analysis. I don't use indicators. And I don't use signals. And I definitely don't sit at a computer screen all day to watch the market. I simply choose a stock from my watch list. I do have 5 criteria for stocks to make it to my list. I will not reveal what my criteria is, but if you examine my list, you may be able to determine the criteria for yourself. I choose the stock option based on whether or not I own the stock and or I would like to own the stock. I choose a strike price, an expiration date, a bid, and I submit a limit order. Then I wait for execution. If the sale does not execute, I may change my order or wait until the next day and do it again. Last week on Tuesday, for example, I sold a call for $7.34. On Wednesday, I sold a call for $10.34. And on Friday, I sold another call for $22.34. That's a total of $40.02, which is not a lot of money, but the account is small. And $40.02 is cash flow of 1% of the account value. Week by week, the small amounts add up. Even if I made as little as 1% cash flow every week, which is easy to do, and I did that for a year, that would be 52% in cash flow. Additionally, when the cash flow is low for the week, the account value change is normally high. For example, with a cash flow of 1% this past week, my account increased 8.1%. And 8.1% is a lot better than the 2.55% increase of SPY, that is the S&P 500 index. To increase the amount of cash flow, just use a larger amount. For example, to 10x the cash flow to $400.20, instead of selling one of everything I sold, sell 10. This money is free and clear. You can take it out of your account and spend it or leave it in to build your account value, your account cash balance. The caveat: there are dozens, hundreds of different investing and trading strategies, and because each person applies a given strategy differently, there are millions of strategic applications and possible outcomes. However, if your strategy does not beat the S&P 500, you are not only wasting money, you are also wasting time. This strategy is guaranteed to produce cash flow immediately and every week that it is applied. However, it does not guarantee the amount of cash flow from week to week, nor the value of your account. The amount varies and the account value also varies. Despite the variations in amount and value, The goal is to generate cash flow and beat the S&P 500. Note, most professional money managers and strategies do not consistently beat the S&P 500. Anyone can learn how to do this with the right knowledge. There are thousands of books and videos available to you to learn how to invest and how to generate cash flow. Your results will differ, of course, depending on what stocks and options you use. What is your strategy? Do you know how to produce cash flow every week and beat the S&P 500? If you don't want to read the books and or watch the necessary YouTube videos, or you have read the books and watch a ton of YouTube videos and you simply must be tutored or coached, then you can find your way to the Southside School of Financial Freedom website to sign up for a free 30-minute consultation. In the meanwhile, to follow how my small account performs from week to week against the S&P 500, please like, share, and subscribe.